Drinks to clean the stomach and colon. 1. Apple cider vinegar drink contains acetic acid, which helps improve digestion, balance pH levels, and promote healthy gut bacteria. It can help flush out toxins and support liver detoxification. 2. Smoothies with fiber-rich ingredients. Fiber helps in the smooth movement of food through the digestive tract and promotes regular bowel movements. Adding fruits and vegetables to your smoothies can increase your fiber intake, aiding in colon cleansing. 3. Ginger tea. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties. It can help relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. It stimulates digestion and promotes the efficient movement of food through the intestines. 4. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea has soothing properties that can help relax the digestive tract and alleviate symptoms of indigestion and bloating. It can also help in reducing abdominal pain and discomfort. 5. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice has natural laxative properties that can help cleanse the colon and promote regular bowel movements. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and can soothe the digestive tract. 6. Herbal teas. Various herbal teas like chamomile, fennel, and dandelion tea can aid in digestion and help cleanse the stomach and colon. These teas have natural detoxifying properties and can soothe the digestive tract. 7. Turmeric milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps in detoxifying the liver and improving digestion. Write to me in a comment. Do you suffer from any stomach or digestion problems? I will answer you immediately. I wish you good health.